Hi guys, my name's Aaron Bryan and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a visualization of a polygraph in processing. It's very simple, but if you're building anything like a lie detector, this is something very useful that you can use. So in processing here you can see there's a lot of commented out code, and the one you really want to focus on is the one that's actually being used, because this is the code that's being used in the program that's running on the right. So what you're going to need is a boolean that's called polygraph direction, and what that does is decide whether or not the dots that are being drawn are going up or down on the screen. You're also going to need a flow called range and a flow called current y. Now in itself, polygraph has its own class that you can see here. It has an x and y and whether it's alive or not, because you want the dots that are being drawn to be killed once they go off screen so that it doesn't waste RAM. So you can see the constructor here where x is set as width equal to 2, and then it's set to be alive. And at all times you want update to take away from the x so that the lines will go off screen so it looks like it's trailing behind. So the display is just set the fill to be 0, the stroke to be 0, and then draw a point at x and y. And the whole point of it is that x and y are constantly changing. So down and draw, basically what I have here, this is just random because I don't have the polygraph hooked up to the program. But what you're going to do is do a random integer between -10 and 10. You can use any range you want. I just used this because it was nice to see the visualization as a program is running. So you're always checking that the variable called current y is greater or less than the range, and the range is just a value that's set, and basically what that does is shows whether the user is lying or not. So polydir, which is the poly direction, when that's switching between false and true, it just basically means it's going up or down. So if poly direction is equal to true, then the current y will be added to, else it will be taken away from, and then after that you're creating a new object in an array list of the points called p, and that's going to be a new polygraph object, and you can see the array list up here. So when that's created, basically what it does is it sets its y to be the current y, and then after that it just adds that object into the array list, and then here we can see it being updated and displayed. So it also checks here whether the dots have gone off screen or not. So and then the range will increase by rand, but in an actual lie detector it will decrease whether or not the user is lying or not. So that's basically it, and once you put all those parts together, what you have is the visualization of the polygraph. So the faster and closer together it is, it means the more likely the user is telling the truth on the current question, and the more spread out it is means the more likely that they're lying. But yeah, that's basically it. It's only using random variables as of now, and I'll probably put up another video when I sort the lie detector itself out. But as for now, this is the visualization, how you can create it. So yeah, thanks for watching.